Now this is a premium method, that means that you need to pay. That's $25 for a year, but it's also the most stable way you can get Kodi installed, especially on a tvOS device. And in this example I'm gonna show you exactly that. From KodiTVBox.ca you can get the full set of instructions once you have logged in, and you will receive also an email with all the necessary information. Once you receive all the necessary information, you can go into Settings. Now from here select General. Now go where it says Privacy, select this one. And now from this new menu, you have to go over Share App Analytics, and from your remote control select Play Pause. This will give us the feature to add a profile, and inside here we will add the information that we got from KodiTVBox.ca. I'm gonna enter it right now. And also, of course, I'm gonna hide this part. Click on Done when finished, and then down below where it says Install. Once again give the confirmation, trust the remote management, that's for the installation of the certificate. And once you have done that, you can now proceed on their website for the last time. On the link you will find on the email, you will open this page, simply select KTB Store, and back on our device we need to select Install in order to install it, and this will add the KTB Store. That means that we can install directly any application within the device. So we don't need that website anymore. Just click once where it says Authorize and you have finished from the website. Now everything is done internally inside the device. Select the KTB application, and once it's launched, boom shakalaka baby, we have several apps from which to choose. We have of course Kodi 17 Leia, we have Kodi 19, Safari, Provenance, MAME, RetroArch, TUYU, Antenna, an app for US TV Now, Backroom and Electra TV, and PopcornTime, which I love. For now we're gonna install Kodi 19, so let's select it, hit on install, and now wait for the app to do everything. The only thing you need to do is confirm the installation. It will download and install the app, authorize it as well, and when it's finished you will get a green light. Now in this occasion I'm fast forwarding everything, and if you're gonna ask why we are installing 19 and not 18, that's because Kodi 18 Leia isn't available for tvOS, unfortunately. Boom shakalaka baby, the application has been installed, so we can exit from here and let's go and check it out. Let's go back onto the home, and from here we can also drag it on the front row. Long press and boom shakalaka baby, here it is. Let's launch it also for the first time. Let's confirm that everything is working. Here we are, and as you can see it's very fast, the performance on the TV OS. System information and another confirmation, this is the Kodi 19 Alpha 1. Of course, if we have new versions, it will be also updated to the latest version as well. Let's also install an add-on just to check out the performance and if it's working correctly. Let's select from the official repository inside the video add-ons, and my preferred add-on is the Crackle add-on by Team Kodi. Here it is. Simply accept everything. The developer is Arachnophobia. Boom shakalaka, installing. Awesome. And it's installed. Let's go back and open it. Let's select also something just for confirmation that everything works. Inside movies. Let's go into comedy. and within comedy let's select a movie, whichever it is. This one. Now do not ask me what it is about, I honestly don't know and neither do I care. And boom shakalaka, once again it works perfectly. I'm gonna pause it of course for copyright issues and let's go back. Let's also see what else we can do from this KTB application, the new way that you can install anything. We can install Safari and all the other applications. Let's select for example RetroArch. Here we go. Awesome, and in this way you can install all the applications that you can find within the KTB store, which hopefully there will be more in the future. Let's try for example Safari. I'm gonna do a search. I'm so vain, I'm gonna search for myself. Just kidding. I know how my website performs, so that's why I'm testing my own website, and as you can see everything works perfectly. Awesome, very nice. Also browsing on this very powerful device, it's a piece of cake. Of course we have also PopcornTime, and this one works brilliantly as well, very easy, and also I love the UI following the tvOS standards. And as you can see everything works brilliantly. We can select also the quality of the movie. Everything is super easy. Also from the KTB, the KodiTVBox application, you have full support, which in my opinion is also a big plus.